This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by David Savino. Custom built by Ken Cohen Master Builder. The exterior of stone and brick blend well with this beautiful transitional look. This fabulous home offers high ceilings and an open floor plan, gorgeous hardwood floors throughout living room, dining room and family room. Chef's kitchen with beautiful granite tops, custom appliances and 6-burner gas cooktop. Vaulted ceilings in the family room with custom stone surrounding fireplace. Huge master suite on first floor with cathedral ceiling. Each bedroom has its own full bath, big bonus/theater room with wet bar, plus this home has a generator. This is a very special residence, too many amenities to list. For more information, review the details below.